Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn OLL algorithms using an easy method. First, understand that OLL stands for Orient Last Layer, a crucial step in solving the Rubik's Cube quickly. There are 57 unique OLL cases to memorize, which might seem daunting at first. However, by grouping these cases into smaller, manageable sets, you can significantly reduce the perceived difficulty. We will focus on intuitive recognition and developing smooth finger tricks for each algorithm. A key strategy for easy OLL learning is effective case grouping. Start with the 7-dot cases, where no edges on the top layer are oriented. These are often the most challenging initially. Then, move to the 12 cross cases, where the yellow cross is already formed. Finally, address the remaining 38 cases, which can be further grouped by how the corners are oriented. This structured approach makes the learning journey much more manageable. Consistent practice is vital for mastering OLL. Utilize a cube timer and a scramble generator to simulate real solve conditions. Instead of rote memorization, concentrate on recognizing the visual patterns of each case instantly. Practice each algorithm 10 to 15 times in a row to build muscle memory and fluidity. Begin with slow, deliberate movements to ensure accuracy, gradually increasing your speed as confidence grows. This method builds a strong foundation. To truly master OLL, regular review is essential to keep all 57 algorithms fresh in your mind. Explore advanced finger tricks to optimize your execution speed and fluidity. Integrate your OLL practice into full cube solves to see how it impacts your overall solve times. A good goal is to achieve an average OLL recognition time of under 2 seconds, which significantly contributes to faster solves. Keep practicing and enjoy the process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.